Hey guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust indentation in Google Docs on your Windows PC. First, place your cursor in the paragraph you want to change, or highlight multiple paragraphs if you want the same indents everywhere. Next, use the ruler, drag the left indent triangle to move the whole paragraph in or out, and drag the first line indent marker to change only the first line. Perfect for creating hanging indents. Alternatively, use the menu, go to Format Align and Indent Indentation options, pick left or right, and set a special indent like first line hanging. Then click Apply. For quick keyboard controls, press Tab to indent in the line, or Shift plus Tab to outdent. And finally, review your paragraph spacing and adjust as needed. Indentation helps with readability and tidy formatting for lists, quotes, and citations. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.